With how hot it's been lately, I think it's time we make another drink. That drink, a high protein and healthier pina colada that'll get you right without the hangover. You only need a blender and a couple ingredients, so let's jump right into it. I think this is a good lead-in for my question of the day. How many of you drink alcohol, and how often? If you stop drinking, why? Let me know. Start this one with, can you guess? Your blender. Add right into it 1 cup of a canned light coconut milk, 4 ounces of a coconut flavored Greek yogurt, 2 ounces of a light pineapple juice, 1.5 scoops of an unflavored or vanilla protein powder, 1 cup frozen pineapple chunks, and some ice cubes for good measure. Blend everything together until smooth. While those are blending, here's a couple tips for this one. Number 1, you can make your own light coconut milk or pineapple juice by simply diluting your full-fat coconut or regular pineapple juice with water using a 1-to-1 ratio. I'll put the full breakdown on how to do this along with metric conversions on the website, which is always linked up here or below in the description. Number 2, if you want it more pineapple forward, you could use a pineapple flavored Greek yogurt. Mix and match here to try multiple variations until you find your favorite. Number 3, if it's not thick enough or you don't have frozen pineapple, add more ice or a little xanthan gum. And number 4, if you like this recipe, you're gonna love my new recipe book, which is now available for pre-order. I'll also drop a link to this below if you want to check it out. Once it's done blending, toss it into your favorite glass or shaker, and in the end, it should look like this. The winner of our last Testing Your Guesstimating was bang! Congrats to you. For this week's Testing Your Guesstimating, we're going with this many frozen pineapple chunks. Guess how much you think they weigh in grams in the comments below. And the first one closest to it will win a gift card to our store, where you can purchase a shirt, shaker, or anything else you want. 1 guess per person. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our new book, The Protein Blueprint. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this one. Visit theproteinchef.co for all your recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.